If you've been looking for a reason to start trading Bitcoin, BTCC just gave you one. Get a 10% bonus on your very first deposit, credited directly as trading funds. Plus, unlock even more rewards the more you trade. Here's how to claim your rewards. Step 1. Register using the link in the description. Takes under 60 seconds. You'll receive $10 USDT instantly. Step 2. Complete identity verification and earn a $20 USDT coupon. Step 3. Make your first deposit of $200 or more, and BTCC gives you 10% back, added straight to your trading balance. Step 4. Place your first futures trade and unlock another $20 USDT coupon. Then, volume-based rewards kick in. The more you trade, the more you earn. Reach $500,000 in cumulative trading volume and claim $210 USDT. Hit $10 million, and that's $1,125 USDT. Top traders hitting $500 million can unlock up to $12,935 USDT in rewards. Total prize pool, $30,000 USDT. Register now. The link is in the description. Trade on a platform trusted since 2011 with up to 500 times leverage on Bitcoin futures, BTCC. Trade more, earn more.